I've got a Vauxhall Insignia here. Just doing a normal plate light bulb on the back here. So I'm just going to show you which one it is first. You see the driver's side here is working, but the passenger side isn't. All you need is a flat screwdriver. To do it, you've got a little clip here, as you'd see. So you can see the clip, yep. And then push this out towards you. It's quite a simple procedure. Take the bulb out. I've got a new one here. It's a capless bulb 501. You see here. I mean, you should switch your lights off, but I can do it, but I'm a bit lazy now, so I won't do it. Put the bulb in. As you see, it's working now. Get this back connected. Same procedure. Slot it back in. Make sure the back end goes first, and that's it. Job done. That's all you got to do on your car. Any more information, let us know. We'll try helping you out. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.